Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. We bring you live breaking news here this afternoon of Tilray brands. One of the biggest questions everyone's asking is, why has the price dropped? Well, this is the live show. We're going to discuss it live here on the show and discuss why it's dropping, what we might think is behind this, what is the reason. But I'll tell you right now, it's nothing to fear. I am in. I bought back in today, and I simply sold out because I didn't know how the bill would go. We expected to go through. That's why I bought in the first place. But I made a lot of profit from it, and I took it out in case the bill got rejected. I was still up 40%, even though I was as high as 55%. Stop loss at 40, so I'm very happy. When I found out the bill had gone through, I was straight in and bought it again. So why has it gone down, and what are we going to do about it, and how are we going to play it? Well, we'll discuss it live now on the Day Trader. Okay, let's get straight into the trades and show you where we are right now, and let's see who's with me. Right, everybody's now live in the show. Give us a subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. Let us know you're here. Come into the live chat and let's discuss Tilray brands right now, where we are going to go with this. Okay, let's go through all the stocks and discuss it live right now. Leldavaza is here. Welcome, welcome. My portfolio has had a little bit of a slip today, but the live bot worked and the notify worked as well. Yeah, I saw that, Tom. Looks really great. We'll talk about that with our team in a moment. We've got a new feature to add as very, very exciting news. So there we go. The portfolio is now coming up. We were down as low as 2.5%, but we're now moving up to 143. Can you see my post on TikTok? Ali, I'm no longer Sean, haha. Oh, Susan, there you go. Yes, I can see you. Fantastic. What's the little name? What's the little red symbol after your name? I've seen a few people have got that. Ali Trader 86 and then a little symbol. What's the little symbol? I can't quite make that out. It's very small on my screen here. Let me know what that is. All right. Anyway, it's very good. What is the little thing at the end? What's after Ali Trader? The little red symbol. What is that? Let me know what that is. But yeah, I can see you. Love it. Fantastic. Good stuff. Right. So we're back up now. We're moving up slowly from 2.5% down 1.5%. That's good. So that's good there. That's the Vanguard S&P has picked up as well. UPath, I sold out. I made my money and I sold out. Right now, I've just got one share again. And we'll have a look what happens. But right now, I'm out of UiPath. I made a profit on it, and I'm out of it at the moment. Bitnal is going sideways. Tesla is up today, going sideways now. Rivian is down. It will sell at 44. I've still got a handsome profit in there of $700. Up 17%. If it goes down to 44, it will sell. I'd rather stay in, but we're not going to lose money on Rivian. Not going to do that. Virgin Galactic has had a good day today. It's held up all day pretty much. Amazon's holding up as well. Twitter is up today 1.72. That's looking pretty good. Let's get, we've got 9 likes now. Smash the like button. Let's get these likes up. I have a slow start right now. Let's go over to the Discord and let's see what's happening over there while we go through the stocks. Let's have a look. Got some information from Peru. Let me just read something for a minute. Okay, got some information just coming in. Thank you for that. I will share that with everybody in a second. So it's about Tilray. We've got breaking news from Tilray coming in as fast as we are bringing it to you. We'll keep you updated with what's happening with that. So it's all good. What's next? NVIDIA. I'll come to Tilray in a second. Meta Platforms is up today 0.69. And Gores Guggenheim is moving up as well. Lucid is down today. I'm down on it now. Very, very slightly, but I'm holding my position with Lucid. Robinhood is also down today. Let's scroll through to some of our other stocks. Crypto's had a good day today, up 3.5% on Bitcoin. I sold out Bitcoin this morning again and moved my money into stocks. I'm glad I did that, even though it has popped up. I don't mind that at all. I've made profit on it anyway. Ginkgo Bioworks is up to date. I've only got one now. I've sold out of that position at the moment. IonQ, we're down at the moment on it overall, but we're up to date. Tantec is up to date, but I'm still down on it. Joby is up 18%. I've got a stop loss at Joby as well. Let's have a look on Matterport right now, up 0.74. I'm up 8% now. Monday morning, you will see pre-market on Tilray up, up, up. I'm sure we'll come on to it in a second. Don't worry, we are going to cover it today. A lot of people are asking, what's going on? I bought in. What's going on? Okay. Now we're on to Tilray. Let's have a look at it. Why is Tilray down? What is going on? Let's get in some of the questions here. We've got Bill. I looked. Ali, no see. You can see him. Yeah, he is. User. He's over there on. Yeah, what is the little. Yeah, Bill's got it as well. What's the little red thing at the end of everyone's name? What is that little red thing? Bill's got it as well. I'd love to know what it is. Anyway, Monday morning you'll see it pop up. I'm sure that's correct. Queen of self-braiding. Right. Basically, what has happened here, let me bring you the information right. Got to step back and remember where we all are right now. We brought the news and we found out that literally within minutes of the bill coming out, got passed, we brought it to you and the stock was down, and then it kept on going down, and everyone's asking why is it down? Well, first of all, you've heard the statement, buy the rumour, sell the news. Okay, well, the rumour was the bill was going to come out, okay, and get passed. Well, of course, the bill might have failed. It might, no see red thing. You don't see it. Yeah, I see it. Maybe it's because it's my friend. I've no idea. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Moving on. So the stock rose up because of potential good news. It's like when you get an earnings report and we think it's going to be a great report. People buy in because they sell it. Remember, stocks have to go up, have to come down. It's all part of it. It's not a straight line, okay? It popped up, which is why we bought it. Why I made, it went up 55%. I sold it at 40%, took a profit. Absolutely great. That's what's contributed partly to my portfolio being up at 50,000. It was at 33. Let's step back and look where we were just a few days ago. Look, it's very, very important to remember where we were just a short while ago. Look, down here at 33. So all that's contributed to me making profits, okay? Now I took my profit and so on, and I got out of the stock. I got out of the stock because I was making sure, like an insurance policy, what if the bill didn't go through, the stock would crash. The stock hasn't crashed just because it's down right now, because part of the price was built into the rumour. Okay, now we're getting a pullback because people are taking profits from it. And what will happen is people will buy back in again on Monday. It's Friday afternoon. All the stocks are down. We're getting a sell-off Friday. It's all part of it. So I think what's happening now is people are selling out. But I can tell you that the news is good. Let me bring you some news here that I've had from Peru, which will explain a little bit. This has just come through, right? First of all, we know about the Senate the House of Representatives has passed the bill. We know about that. The passage of the bill is historic, but it faces an uncertain future in the Senate where Majority Leader Chuck Schumer plans to introduce his own cannabis bill, okay? But let me follow that on, okay? Basically, it passed the House 220 votes to 204. This is good, okay? Which is really good, okay? Now it will go to the President, then Senate. Last time was failed because of the Senate, but this time is different. Nancy and many other people are super behind the bill. And I will read you something else that's just come out as well, and this is interesting. Let me zoom into this. You'll like this. Very important. Tilray have announced, we applaud the House the US House of Representatives for passing the MORE Act today. There is still much work to be done, but this is but it is the right step forward for many reasons, including and most importantly social justice reform and a pathway to full US federal legalization. Okay, so there's more to be done, but this is where we're heading in the right direction. So this I'm sure will drive the stock. Now, what you don't want to be doing, in my opinion, and this is not financial advice, of course, what you don't want to be doing is saying, "Oh, it's going down. I'm out. I'm selling out." I'm actually buying more. I bought in. I sold out because I made my profit. That was the right thing to do. I then bought in when it passed, which was the right thing to do, because if I was in before it passed, I've got to be in after it passed. Makes sense, right? But I've already made my profit, so even if this drops back down to 5, that's where I was in the first place. So I'm back in. In fact, I bought more shares now. I now have 200. I only had 100 the first time. So I've doubled down. And if this goes down even lower, I will buy some more. Okay? I will buy some more. So there we go. That's the way I see it. I think next week this will pop up. There's more to do, but it's looking a lot more optimistic now than it was before. So a lot of the growth was already built into the stock today, and it will now take time to digest. Exactly the same thing. I want to point this out. We had NVIDIA. Where is it? NVIDIA. NVIDIA. Let me show you right now. NVIDIA, let me pan this out. Right, okay, let me show you here. NVIDIA, I'm up 10% on NVIDIA. NVIDIA had a good earnings report. It went up to the earnings report, but it failed some of its expectations. So people sold out. But the actual underlying principle of NVIDIA's earnings report was good. So it sold out, and now they've had time to digest it, and the information is now properly understood. The stock has been rising. I didn't sell out. I bought the dip, and now it's been rising, and now I'm up 10%. All right, because NVIDIA was oversold. Now what we've had a rise with the news of the rumor, the potential bill. The bill's got through. People have taken profits. It's dropped back down, but that often happens after a great earnings report. It pops up before the bill, drops back down afterwards, and then rises up again. So my play on this one is I bought the dip. I'll buy some more if it goes down to sort of under 7. I'll buy some more, I'll load up on it, and I'll wait for next week and see where we go. But I'm already working in profits. Don't ever follow me or copy anyone else. Go with your portfolio is your own. Everyone's position is slightly different. Okay, we can't all just copy everyone, but I feel confident in it. I'm happy with it. I'm in it. It's all good news to me. Right. It's also, yes, we've already discussed that. Tilray is the biggest cannabis company in Europe. Germany will soon be legalizing medicinal marijuana. France is next in line. Yeah, we already know it's the biggest one. It's why we bought in it in the first place. So don't lose faith in it just because after the great news it dropped. That happens in the stocks all the time. Does that make sense? Let's go into the green room and let's open up the green room. The green room, I'm going to open up the green room now. If anybody wants to call in and be live on the show, you can actually call in and, ask Peru. Peru Invest is with us. He's in the, excuse me. He's actually in the Discord right now. So if anybody wants to come in and ask a question to Peru, I'm sure he'll answer it for you if he's able to. All right. So there we go. General chit chat. Oh, hello. What's that? That's what I can see. No red thing on my screen. Oh, okay. Maybe it's because we're friends. Maybe it's because we're friends. I don't know. It's telling me. Maybe it's because we're friends. I don't know. Anyway, I did send some news in Pix and Discord. Remember, TRI was $5. Now we're at 7. Politics is always play their role. Absolutely. They have the Garden of Vancouver Island in. Thank you for that, Bill. Lovely. So yeah, you got to remember where we were. So You got to understand that. Anyway, everybody gets, forget sometimes that stocks don't just go one way. They go two ways, but ultimately it drives it up. Anyway, let's go back to our portfolio and discuss everything else that we've got going on right now. So let's have a look. This was the news report. U.S. House of Representatives passes federal cannabis legislation bill MORE Act. Okay. Now then, where's Tilray going to go now? We've got half an hour, just over 35 minutes before the close. Wouldn't be surprised if we get a little bit of a rise into the close, actually. That can happen. Mullen, I'm out of that right now. That's been trending down today, down 9%. I'll buy it when it goes down lower because I've already made profit on it, but I need it to go lower to make a substantial profit. This is huge news. Perhaps this is a buy the dip moment for me. Absolutely. You're on about which one? Which one is that, Peru? Which stock are you talking about? Did you ever buy into WEX either whole or part? No, I haven't, Tom. I'm fully invested at the moment on other things. I just don't have any interest in it. It doesn't speak to me. It doesn't say buy me. That's all it is. Very often stocks are things that you're interested in. If you're interested in them, you feel like you understand the stock, you tend to make the right decisions. If you just buy Tilray, yeah, I've doubled down. Evening all, I close a lot of my stocks throughout the day to take the profits as I won't be online for the next 2 weeks. That's very, very sensible. Very, very sensible. Other than perhaps S&P 500, I would like to leave money there. Very secure. That's what I'd have done. If I'm taking a holiday, I might take some profits and drop that into something like S&P 500 because more of my stocks are moving into that all the time anyway. Have you guys seen the live clips of the show? You've got to go and check it out. So funny. How is TITY doing? Yeah, we had so much fun with that. If those of you who didn't watch it this morning, you got to go and watch the clips. If you don't know what we're talking about, in the Discord group for the members, you will see this here, live clips of the show. This channel here, we get the team, they copy bits from the show, and they're like 10-second clips. And this last one here, I was crying. I was absolutely crying. This one here. Let me see if I can play it from here. I don't know if it will play from here. Oh, I'm a dear. I was crying. Let's have a look. Let's see if it plays from here. Oh, that's the best quote of the day. That's the best quote of the day. I got to put it on the screen. That's the best quote of the day. Oh, God. I got to put... Yes. Oh, that's the best quote of the day. That's the best quote of the day. I got to put it on the screen. That's the best. What we're talking about there is we had some fun this morning with April Fools, and we did a stock TITY, Elon Musk, crypto, and Peru Invest was playing along, and Fusion 301 said he was Googling it, and he ended up with porn all over his phone and getting... I don't even want to think about it. It'll get me crying again. It was very, very entertaining, and thank you very much for whoever that was who clipped that video. Who was it who clipped it? Celtic. Very, very funny. Very, very funny indeed. Right. So now Tilray maybe consolidating now, hitting a bottom, doesn't want to go any lower, and. I've got enough in it, though. I'll have to say with you, I'm probably fully invested in that. But I do think it's going to go up on Monday or during the week. So I'm excited about it. I'm not selling it out. Certainly not selling it out. Not setting a stop loss right now. I'm not doing that because it could fall a bit more. Don't want to be out of it. I'm going to leave it right there. And that is all good. All right, fantastic. Now... I want to put a server updates and news. Yes, got a great update for you today. Very, very exciting. Yeah, believe a bubble. He wasn't here to do a clip, bubble clip bubble, whatever we call him. He's normally in charge of clips, but Celtic took the role today. because Bubble was away, and we had a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun today on the Day Trader with the April Fools. Anyway, so let's have a look at Tilray. It's holding there. Look, this could be a buy opportunity right now. This could be a new bottom now with the Bill past. Remember, like Bill just made the point, this was once upon a time. Look, this is what you got to do, folks. You've got to look where we are right now. Look at this. Look at this. The bill has now passed. We are in a better position now than we've ever been. Look. Can you see what I'm saying? In fact, I've answered my own question, actually. I've answered my own question. I'm going to buy in. I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy. If I do that, that'll take me up to $3,000. Thinking about it, I've always said I stand by my videos. I want to, do that. There you go. There you go. I've doubled my Tilray. I now have 401 shares. I've bought in, I've doubled up and doubled up again. There you go. That's what I've done there. I've now got 401 shares of Tilray. Having that bill go through today and seeing things very much different. What about Peru? What's Peru feel like right now? I've just bought, when you look at it, that it's been hovering around this price now for a while. This feels pretty secure to me. Look at this. All the way along here, it's not likely to go down much more. 5. Look. And now we got the good news. I've loaded up. I've loaded the boat, as they say. I've loaded the boat. I'm not going to do any more. I don't want to be the Tilray Brands Cannabis show. I don't want to be just only in that. But anyway, that's very, very exciting. Very exciting. Bubble, oh my God, that's hilarious. It was really funny this morning. You needed to see it this morning. Anyway, we have a member in the green room. Oh, we have Patty in the green room. Let me slide her into. She hasn't got her microphone turned on. Yeah, she's not really understanding what she's doing. I'll put her in. Patty, you're live on the show. Can you hear us? Patty, you're live on the show. Can you hear me? I'm in for 105 shares of Tilray. There we go. Oh, no, she doesn't know what to do. Tom, have a little chat with her. See if you can sort her out. She's trying to come on in. Anyway. 296 shares in Tilray. We're all loading the boat. If everyone buys the shares, the stock will go up. That's kind of how it works. That is kind of how it works. Anyway, we got some really cool updates on the server. Very, very cool stuff I want to show you right now. Okay? We've just posted a new update. And we want to test it now. We want to see who's up for this. Okay? Go over to the Discord server, folks. Look. There's a channel right at the top. It's called YouTube Live and YouTube Premiere. YouTube Premiere is where the videos, once I've made a video, go. Where the videos go, they go into Premiere. When I upload and post a video. Make sense? I make a video, I post it, it goes into YouTube Premiere. YouTube Live, the moment I go live, breaking news, I bring you like a short, I tell you, hey guys, this has happened. It's breaking news. I've gone live. Right? That is what YouTube Live is for. Okay? Now, I want to test this. You can see I've just gone live right now and I got notified because I went live. Instantly. Immediately. So if it's breaking news, really important, you will get it. So what I want you to do, guys, go into YouTube Live and you have to ring this bell here. Click this bell here. You can always turn it off later. Look, if I click it, I won't get notified. If I click it, I do get notified. See that, look? So I want to see everybody click that and test it. It's a beta week. We are testing for this week. There we go. To see how you feel about this. This will bring you the latest, greatest news as it comes out. You will never miss it wherever you are. You can always turn the bell off. But this way, you can get notified about the breaking news. Okay? So there we go. Please, please do. Some questions on Tilray. On TikTok, Tilray has been bearish. Tilray has a bearish divergence, though. We're never bearish. We're always bullish. We only ever invest in things we believe in. We don't feel that way at all. What price did you buy Tilray? I bought Tilray at $5. I sold it at $7.50. I made something like 55. I made 40% profit. I was up at 55%. I set a stop loss at 40%, sold it because I didn't know if the bill would get passed. The bill did get passed, so I bought it again. It's dropped since the bill came out, but then that's typical of what happens after good news for a while in the short term. And I've doubled down and doubled down. I've now got 400 shares of Tilray, and looking at it, $180 it was once upon a time. That doesn't mean to say we do that again. We don't look at that, but it just gives you an indication of the sentiment behind the stock. But now it's the biggest cannabis medical cannabis company in the world, and it's also passed through the Senate, and now people are behind it. I would say this is very optimistic. And as I have made profit from it, I actually don't mind risking it now because I've already made my money on it. I don't really feel I've got anything to risk now. If I just bought in and then stayed there, as it happened, the bill got passed, I'd have been all right. But I took my profit, got out, I've got back in again. So I'm very happy with that. All right. I hope that answers your question over there on TikTok. All right. So has everybody clicked the bell? I'm the only person to do it. Only 4 so far. Go and just click this bell. Very, very cool. And what you'll see is this is an announcement channel. This is an announcement channel. What that means is you can follow this channel. See at the top, you can follow this channel on your server. On your server. And if you follow it, when I publish, you will get that post on your server. It's a way for you to grow your server because you're sharing something you're interested in and other people might like it. And also it will grow the YouTube channel for me here, which means you're going to get bigger prize money and the $1,000 will be coming to you much, much sooner. All right? Makes sense? All good? Everybody happy? I hope so. Right. Let's go back to the trading screen. So let's see how many people get live in there. And we want to test it for a week. We want to test it and see how people like that. All right? You'll get notified on TikTok, Discord when we go live. Breaking news. You won't miss anything. If it's, something really important, you'll get it. You've got the premiere videos and you've got the live videos. They're different. Okay. Let's go back to our stocks right now. We've got 25 minutes before the bell goes. I only see my post on TikTok. I'm not sure what you mean there, Bill. Let's have a look. UPath, I'm out of it right now. BitNile, I'm holding it. I see Tilray hitting triple bottom, $7. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. I don't really mind if it does. I'm up from $5 anyway. I'm up profit anyway. I can't see this could lose me money. In fact, it can't lose me money. I mean, it's not completely impossible, of course, but I can't see it. I've already made up from $5. I'm going to make money on this stock. I'm sure of it. Anyway, I will just say our angel investor, Peru, has been right 99 times out of 100. So that's the way I see it. You decide yourself. We've got 6 followers now to that notification. That's very cool. And let's see who else jumps in there. Muln, let's go back over to Muln right now. Yep. Muln is now starting to lift off into the close. I'm out of Muln right now. I made my money. I'm out of it. It's too. We know now this is trending as a meme stock. It's very possibly a little bit of a naughty stock. I put it on the naughty step. Oh, hello, we've got some news here. There is 2 golden tickets for this year, Tilray and IPOF. IPOF is a short-term 2x to 5x any day. I'm already in that. I've got my IPOF as well, very much so. Let me go back to it right now. Let's have a look. This is my IPOF position. Where is it? Let me go around. BitNile. Rivian. I'll bring it up here, IPOF. This is it. We're down at the moment, I think. No, we're up today, but I'm still down. Oh, I'm up now. Oh, there we go. Oh, IPOF is doing well. Yep, 100 shares of IPOF. Yep, here we go. We're starting to go up now. Just as Peru said that. Okay, and Tilray. Only 5 as the design bots count as 1. Oh, I see, 5. I hold 1,950 shares of Tilray. H.R. Herner. R. Herner, we've got a guest today in the family. We've got a guest here who's just coming into the show. You'll see all the people in the chat, R. Herner, they've all got badges because nearly everybody's a member of our channel because they like to be members. They get 20 times back what they invest as members. And if you ask me about that, I'll tell you all about it. But let's welcome R. Herner. Welcome. My name is Martyn Lucas. This is my TV studio. How you doing? I was voted by Elton John as the World Piano Man, and this is my TV studio. I've raised over $1 million live on my show here for our members. Members only, it's what I do, but I trade here by day. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't look at charts, but we do have an angel investor, and we go on people. We read people. We see the future. We believe what we, where the future's going. We're not chart readers. We've got a lot of people in here that are. But myself and our angel investor are most certainly not. Okay, welcome, R. Heron. Lovely to have you here. Thank you very much indeed. If it's your very first time, click subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. It'd be very nice to have you here. We're live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Would all my family and guests, please, put down your countries and cities, please, and welcome R. Herner in. He's clearly, or she, clearly from the US because of the American helmet. I'm actually from Cornwall in the United Kingdom, and my studio is here in Texas. Welcome to you. All right, lovely stuff. Let's go through our stocks right now. He says he or she has a 1950 of Tilray. Let's go back to Tilray. I now have 400, and we'll see where we go with this one right now. I'm happy with that. Tilray not looking good. Cannabis stock here. Market profit. He's doing it again. Always the opposite. Always the opposite. Market profit not looking good. Cannabis stocks are very much gambling. They're not gambling at all. It's a business. It's a business just like Tesla or Microsoft or Apple. But hang on a minute. You don't like Tesla either. So there we go. For those of you just tuning, me and Market Profit always go at it together. It's part of what we do. We love each other. It's all fun and games of the show. But there you go. Welcome, Herm. I'm from England. That's Simon Jones. In Canada, but currently sitting on a topless beach on Barbados. Casinos are there. Casinos are businesses too. That's right. And the house always wins. The day trader always wins. 5,000. To 50,000. The day trader always wins as well. So there we go. Who doesn't like Tesla? Market profit. He thinks it's overvalued. He thinks I think he said it's worth about $200. New message in Discord. Thank you very much indeed, Tom. What have you dropped in there for me today? Server works tomorrow, and that's why. Okay. Okay, just to let you know, tomorrow we apologise. You will get some notifications, but don't unfollow us. Don't give up on us. Tomorrow, me and Tom are working in the server, and you might get some notifications as we do the work. So please bear with us. There will be a bit of work going on in the server tomorrow, and you might get some notifications. But there we go. All right, please bear with us. We're trying to make the server better and better and better for you all. All right, congratulations today on our winners for the cash giveaway. That was a lot of fun. Who was it who won the cash giveaway today? Who was it now? Someone said that give the money to Zach. So I've got it written down here, but I can't remember who it was now. I also like Big Macs, but I wouldn't pay 100 for one. I love Tesla, just not the stock price. No, I get what you're saying. But anyway, let's get back to our live position right now. That's what we want to look at right now. It's starting to lift off again. I said we would rise into the close, and we are. Let's see. Tilray Brands is now slowing down, which is good. It's consolidating, perhaps. We certainly hope so. It would be very nice if it is. Let's go back over to the Discord. Have we got anybody in the green room that wants to call in? If you want to call in, you can be live on the show like my other members called in. They said hello and they left a little clip like this. The green room is open if anybody wants to pop in. Tom's in there. He'll take care of you and you can actually come on the show just like Alex.
Follow Martyn's The Day Trader. You got to be in it to win it.
That's right. What about Bubble?
Welcome to The Day Trader, Martyn Lucas channel. It's the most fun you can have doing daily trading, making money and having a laugh with a wonderful family. If you're not there, you're missing out. Join The Day Trader channel on YouTube. See you there.
There you go. What about Celtic from Scotland?
The best that you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
Paul B.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England and he's a lot of fun.
There you go. Welcome to the show, everybody. Love it. How much did you raise for Zach's fundraiser? Bubble, it's on Friday. It wasn't today. We moved it. We moved it because Zach got $100 during the week. Plus, we've raised him. We got $1,750 already to give to him. He wanted to he's used the $100 to buy pens and books for the kids in Uganda, and he's filming it on Saturday and sending us the video. So he said to me, would you mind doing it the following week? Because I would like to be able to show the video of what we've done with the first $100. And I said, I think that's a great idea. So we moved it. Remember, April 6th is Tilray earnings report day. April 6th. April 6th, and we will be here for the earnings report. We will be here for the earnings report. We like to do earnings reports. If you've never tuned in to an earnings report, they come after the show. It's a completely different layout. I sit back with a whiskey in my hand and listen in. We listen in to the report. We watch what happens with the stock, and that's what will happen. It will rise up to the earnings report. I tell you that. I can't guarantee anything, but that's one thing I think I can guarantee. I think it will rise up, and I think that's what's going to happen. And anyway, we'll see. So we will cover the earnings report on April 6th, 5 days from now. So put that in your calendars. All right, we've got 6 people now that have clicked the bell in the YouTube live. I'd like to see everybody do that because we'd like to test out the service for you. So. We'll do that, and here I come. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, 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 ding. Paul B is in the house. Here he is. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's next Friday. That's right. 20 watching and only 11 likes. What's going on there, Tom? What's going on? How come I've only got 11 likes? Right, you watch. We'll wake them all up. I tell you what, I'm going to go on strike. Let's give them 1 minute. We want to get to 18 likes in the next 1 minute. Shall I put a clock up on the screen? There we go. Unranked FC. There he is. 1 minute from now. 18 likes. Let's go. Chiggy, 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 bum, bum, chiggy, 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 13 likes. That's better. 14 likes. Now we're moving. Everybody's half asleep. There we go. My Jennifer has her 19th birthday on April the 5th. Don't forget. Bill, we can celebrate it on the show. It's for you or a loved one on the day before or after, live on the show, Bill. You can have that. All right. Chiggy, 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 bum, bum, chiggy, 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 bum. Way-o, way-o. Everyone say, way-o, way-o. 16 likes, that's more like it. There we go. Very good. Thank you much indeed. Thanks, Tom, for reminding me. They're letting the side down. So don't forget, Bill, on the 16th or the 19th, have Jennifer in on the show or whatever, and we'll celebrate her birthday. All right, good stuff. Let's get back to the stocks right now. So here it is. Let's go back to the Discord right now. This is what I want everyone to do. If you wouldn't mind, we're testing this over the weekend. Would you please do us a huge favour and go into the Discord group, see YouTube Premiere, YouTube Live, I beg your pardon, and click this button here, set a bell. You click that there and you'll be notified when we go live. Breaking news, a short, you can be the first person to comment. I might come on and say, hey, Bitcoin's just going up, just going down. You want to be notified, you click that bell there. We've got 6 people done it. And Tom's reminded me that only 5, because 1 is the bot. All right, okay, there we go. YouTube Live. Thank you very much indeed. All right, now Tilray is starting to come up now. I've just doubled down and doubled down again. Muln straight to... Let's have a look. What's Muln doing right now? Oh! Muln is doing its thing again. Muln is doing its thing again. It's up. It's just gone up. Look at that. It's just shot up 5%. Muln is doing its thing again. I'm currently out of that right now. It's going into the close. Never chase a stock like this. It does love to pump like this. Unless you can immediately set a stop loss on it, then that's fine. But be very careful. See? It dropped back the moment it did that. Let's see. Very, very careful with that. We've seen now how it behaves. We've seen how it behaves. It pops up every time somebody, the CEO talks. It pops up and then it goes all the way back down again very quickly. So make your money out of it. Don't get caught on the excitement. Don't get caught on the excitement. Buy it when it falls back down again. All right, let's look at Tilray. I think Fusion's excited because I don't know if he's closed out yet and made his profit from it. Damn it, I totally forgot. On Tuesday, what's happening? Oh, by the way, I don't think they have a... Yes, they do. They do have a CEO because the CEO spoke the other day. The CEO was on Benzinger and he was on YouTube. So yes, they do. Can you hear the bloody noisy lawn crew outside my house? Drives me mad. Once the sun comes out, it's never quiet in the neighborhood until the end of the year. No one uses electric lawnmowers in America. They're all giant gas machines. They stink. They make a huge noise. You've got a blade of grass, which is as delicate as a flower. And apparently we need a 5... Hear it? Can you hear it? We need a 5,000 flipping horsepower machine that blows out smoke to cut a blade of grass. It absolutely drives me bonkers. And because no one cuts their own grass, no one lets their grass grow, and everyone has gas yard crews, this entire neighborhood where I live will be noisy now for the next 6 months. Woohoo, USA, USA. It's absolutely ridiculous. You can get an Ego lawnmower, which is silent, more powerful, runs on electricity, it's quiet, it doesn't require maintenance, it doesn't break down, but the yard crews all like the old-fashioned gas ones with the smoke and the noise. It drives me mad. I have like 5 months now of continual noise because when my garden's cut, they'll be cutting the neighbour and then the guy behind me and then somebody. Oh, here they come, and then they got the gas trimmers. Hear them? It's like, are you trying to like knock the house down or cut delicate grass? Oh God. Be that neighbour who saw you walking his dog. Yeah. Yeah. They don't have time to recharge those. Yeah. What are you on about? Oh, I hate when people say that. I hate when people say that. I'm going to show you this. Look, right now, live in the show. Watch this. Right. What do you think this is? This powers my entire studio. I've got 4 of these powered by solar. 4 of these. I've just pulled one out. As we're live on air, as we're being powered. What does that mean? It means they're all modular. You can have 100 of those and carry them out. Do you know how long an Ego electric lawnmower lasts for? About 12 hours. They could cut lawns all day. They could have a second set of batteries at home, in the office, put new ones on, off they go again. Honestly, absolutely ridiculous. The people that don't know about this stuff just don't know about it. It's not because they like making noise and pollution and stuff like that. They just don't know. So I'm telling you right now, you can get an Ego lawnmower, which is quieter, cheaper, more efficient, more powerful, doesn't need maintenance. You don't have to change the oil, doesn't make noise, doesn't make smoke, and you have all these batteries here. I've got loads of them. I just pulled this out of the power supply right now, and we're still live. We're still on air, right? And I just plugged them in, keep the power going forever. Can you hear it? And guess what? I tell you what, I might go out there one day and say, "Oi, come back with your bloody electric mower or bugger off because you're driving me." It's like they're bringing the house down. Can you hear that? Can anybody hear that? Can anybody hear that? And you can pull it out of the lawnmower and put it in the strimmer. You could put it in anything. Power supply for your house. Go away. Yeah, I can hear. Yeah, you can hear it. All they're doing is cutting delicate blades of grass. Delicate blades of grass. And you'd think they got a tank. My portfolio is flying. My portfolio is flying. We're up. Look at that. We've made... Look at it. On the live. It's going up again. Look at that. Yeah, it's ridiculous. It's the same. It's like somebody will go to the supermarket to buy a pint of milk in a truck that you could park your house in it, and it will do like 7 miles per gallon, and it weighs like 4 tons. And they're going to the garage, they're going to the supermarket to buy a pint of milk. And I often say to people, if 99% of the energy is used to move the vehicle because it's so bloody heavy, is that a good invention? If 99% of the energy was used to move the person in the vehicle, I'd say that's about right. That's efficiency. But if 99% of the energy is used to move the vehicle itself and only 1% to move the person, that is an absolute rubbish invention. Is Ego Lawnmowers a public company? That's a good point. I'll buy bloody shares in it just to prove a point. Ego, Eldorado Gold. I don't think it is. Mining development, no, it doesn't look like it. Darn it. I was going to buy shares in it right now. I have hearing loss, 60% left ear. Do the army rifle range, no ear protection. IPOF on fire. Here we go. Let's go, IPOF. Let's go, IPOF. IPOF off. We told you it was going to go up. IPOF off. Oh, there we go. There we go. Indeed it is. There we go. IPOF off. Bear with me. Here we go. IPOF. Keep an eye on Tlry as well. Tilray. I think Tilray's holding now. There we go. I think Tilray is holding. and I've loaded up on it. I'm up. I'm very happy with my position now. IPOF, on the other hand, is already firing off. You can see my portfolio now is rising. Now, you may remember, market profit's gone very, very quiet because he said the markets would all crash today and all go to zero and burn and die and all the rest of it. Remember he said that today? Well, that didn't happen. So I write all that down. And Peru Invest is still right 99 times out of 100. IPOF is going up again. Let me check my S&P going up again. I bought some more today. I bought that dip. I've now got 30 shares of Vanguard S&P. It's now 14.5% of my portfolio. I'm up nearly 6% on it. Very, very good. 10% is the average for the year. It's now, 2.5 weeks old. So I'm very, very happy with that. Bitnal, I'm holding the position there. UPath, once that goes back down again, I'll be back in again. Rivian is just holding. I'm up, but I'm holding it. I've got a stop loss at 44. Virgin Galactic is now coming up as well. Here we go. IPOF now is moving up. It's now moving up quite a bit. Nearly 1% now. I've got 100 shares in it. I'm up $12. I haven't set my stop loss yet because I hadn't made any money on it yet, but I will soon. Paddy is in the green room. Let's bring Paddy into the show. She might want to come on and say hello. Here she is. Let me bring her in. Whoops. All right, Patty, you're live on the show. How are you? Paddy, you're live on the show. How are you? No? Paddy, you're live on the show. You can talk to me. She's live on the show, but she's not live on the show. Ego Lawnmowers is a Chinese company called Chevron. Is it? Chevron. Let's see. I'll put Paddy back in the green room again. She didn't want to say anything, so there we go. Let's go. Let's have a look. That's Chevron. It's a Chinese company. Ugh. Okay. Nudge It Budget is here. Hey, Nudge It Budget Move It. Great. We can promote Nudge It Budget Move It. I've been waiting for him to come on in. Chevron. It's the last promotion of the month. Here we go. Chevron. Chevron. Is this it here? CVX. Is this it? Engages provision, financial management, technology support for energy chemical productions. Are you sure? Natural gas, gas to liquid plant, the downstream segment. CVX is Chevron Corporation. No, Chevron. Chevron, I apologise. I was looking at it thinking that ain't right. Chevron. Oh, it's not on Robinhood. Darn it. No. It's, no, Chevron. Yeah, it's not available. Chervon. No, it's not available. I can't get it through Robinhood. That's a great shame. Never mind. But I like the idea. Oh, Tilray Brands is, like I said, Tilray Brands is going up after hours. Hang on a minute, we're all over the place. Where is my Tilray Brands gone? Tilray Brands is going up after hours. I said it would. There we go. It's moving up after hours. It's I've tapped my screen 10,000 times. I think I'm having a break. Ali, thank you so much indeed. 5,500. Thank you for sharing that, Ali, so much indeed. Tilray about to drop to $9. How can it drop to $9? It's only at 7 now. I love the people on TikTok. How can it drop to $9? It's at 7. Tell me how that works. Right. Paddy is over in the green room. I wonder if she wants to come on in. She's hanging around in the green room. Tom, can you talk to her in the green room? See what she's up to. Maybe she wants to come on the show. I don't know. Anyway, let's have a look. We're after hours now, so we've started to make it up to date. This is great. Remember, Friday is typically a sell-off, right? Market profit prophesies the end of the world coming today, and it didn't happen. Now, just because one stock, my portfolio could be up and up and up when the rest of the world could be going down. You know, your portfolio is your portfolio. That's why everyone's portfolio is different. It depends what you've got in there. Where's the bunny ears, lady? I need to get access. I need to get access back to my Bitcoins. I see where you're going with that. I see where you're going with that. All right, if you just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell, give us a thumbs up. All right, we want to mention one more time, because only 5 of you have done it so far. We are testing a new. We're testing a week of testing next week, and we want you to go into the Discord group, and we want you to go into the YouTube live, and you'll be notified of when I go live. Click on this bell here. See it? Look. Click on it, and you'll see. These are the people that Simon, Ali, me, Tom, and Bill have done it. All right. If you click on that, you'll be in the top club. All right. But the point is, you'll be notified then when I go live with a video about breaking news. Okay. That's what that's for. All right. Okay. Let's see if we can get anybody else to do that. And we're going to test how it works and ask you later in the week how you felt about it. All right. Okay. IPOF popped up. IPOF popped up and just dropped back a little bit. Getting excitement there for the moment, but that's good. I'm up a % now on it. Vanguard has done very well. The UiPath is doing all right. We're going to wrap up the show in a second, unless anybody wants to come live on the show and have a quick chat and say hello. Patty is still in the green room. She's not saying anything though, but there we go. This was the day that Tilray got passed. BitNile is pumping up. Look, watch it. After hours, looking good. When you see something pump up after hours, it's very, very encouraging. Very, very encouraging for the start of next week. There we go. Tesla is up after hours as well. Rivian is going sideways. Virgin Galactic is just down a tiny, tiny bit. IPOF there. Twitter's going up after hours quite a bit. Watch that clip. Watch what clip? What do BitNile do? We'll cut BitNile. Oh, BitNile. Let's have a look. It's a crypto thing, I think. I bought it yesterday. It was a top tip from Peru Invest. Oh, here it is. Tesla. BitNile. Yes. BitNile engages in design, development, manufacture, and sale of customized and flexible power system solutions for the medical, military, telecom, and industrial markets. It incorporates the following segment: DPC, DPL, energetic digital farms, and IAM. So there we go. Sorry, it wasn't crypto. I was thinking of the other one, Path. Path was the other one. This was a top tip from Peru Invest. I hear a bit of noise going over there on Discord. What's going on? Nothing exciting? All right. Okay. Now then, it's time to mention Nudge It, Budget, Move It. And remember, these commercials for our sponsors live on the YouTube channel forever. And I want to say, it's so important. Our members, our sponsors, that is what funds the live shows. I don't make hardly any money on live shows. Live shows are all really covered. For me sitting here, is you guys, members, sponsors, keeping this alive. Without you, it wouldn't be possible. I'll just make the videos and post the videos and would never be live together. So I really appreciate all the members. That's what the live shows are all about. So thank you for supporting the live shows. And one of those big supporters, of course, are our sponsors. And when our sponsors come in, we like to promote them. So here we go. One of our sponsors is Nudge It, Budget, Move It. And if you need a website, you want to talk to someone that is in this show nearly every day, someone you can trust, someone you can talk to, someone who offers you the best of technology and has a budget for everyone, hence the name Nudge It, Budget, Move It. More importantly, though, not only is he here every day, you can talk to him every day. He's a real person. He's one of our members, one of our team. Also, he has a budget for everyone's budget. All right? You might say, I've got a website, but I'd like to have a bit of this on my homepage. Can you help me with that? And he'll go, yeah, I can do that for X amount. All right? This is it. And I want to say that he's a great guy. He's been supporting the show since the beginning. And we hope we can support him as well. Great technology. Look at this. I love washing the car. This is awesome. So they do top technology. But what makes them really great is the fact that they have a money-back guarantee. If you're not absolutely thrilled to bits with your website, you don't pay a penny. I mean, seriously, how does it get better than that? On top of that, they have a budget for everyone. And you can see the technology they use on their website is really top-notch. I love this. I love the way this works. So you can have a website made by Nudge It, Budget, Move It. And I do like that one. It always needs doing, right? And all his information is here. I'm going to post it into the chat for you. Reach out. He is on Discord. He's on our server. He has his very own server. His very own channel. It's called Nudge It, Budget. There it is. You can go in there, right? And you can chat with him, communicate with him, send him a message, say, look, I've got this, have a look at it. What do you think you can do? He prides himself in getting back to you straight away. Send me a pic of your car and I'll feature it. You'll have a job, mate. I sold my car because now I'm online every day. I don't need a car. And because of gas cars with the fact that you can't buy them anymore because there's a chip shortage, I ended up getting back as much as I paid for my car 3 years after I bought it. So I sold it for what I paid for it. So I don't currently have a car. I don't need one. So unfortunately, I can't have you washing my car on your website. Anyway, go and check him out. Nudge It, Budget, Move It. There's his Discord group. You can ask him. You can say, hey, build me a website. Have a little look at it. Tell me what you think. How much? And he's got a budget for everyone, and he prides himself on getting back to you very, very quickly. In fact, near enough straight away. And if you are a member here on the channel, he always tells me he's got extra special deals for our members as well. So it's worth a call if you want to build your website up, right? There we go. Congratulations and thank you, Nudge It, Budget, Move It, for being a member of our channel and helping keeping us live with these shows. There we go. Thank you. And there we go. It's the end of another month, the end of another month of sponsorship for you, sir. I hope you're happy with the service. If there's anything more you need from me or anything I can do, please let me know. Would hate to lose you as a sponsor. You've been a sponsor now for several months. Please talk to me, and whatever I can do to promote your business, I want to deliver that and exceed in your expectations. And we are growing every day with more subscribers and more people on the show. Oh, we've just gained another 7 subscribers today. Look at that. Here we go. Look at this. We're heading towards that 10,000 subscribers really quite quickly, actually. We're on target for June 27th, our anniversary, our first anniversary. And that day, we're giving away $1,000 to our members. And every month you are a member, you get another ticket. So the longer you're a member, the more chance you have of winning the $1,000. And if you want to become a member, I'm going to give you the link right now. And let's see if I can find the link. I have so many links right now. This weekend, I've got to tidy up my links. I've got too many links. It's mental. Well done for you. KK2 is here. Now, KK2 is one of our gold members. One of our gold members, and we want to promote him today on Friday. We always promote our members when they're here. Here we go. KK2. Here he is. Please, 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 everybody. He's a gold member. He's a top member. If you make me a manager on your YouTube channel, I will make you a video. For my members who I've already made videos for, I'll be making you one very, very soon and blowing your channel up again. So KK2, could we please reward our gold member? He's one of our gold members. He keeps the channel alive. Let's see if today we can get him to 20 subscribers. He's got 19. There we go. Everybody, we'll come back to that and we'll give him 1 minute. Let's see in 1 minute from now if we can get 20 subscribers for KK2. Here he is. He's got a YouTube channel and we'd love to help him grow. It's what we do for all our members. All right. Okay, we'll come back to that in 1 minute and see if we've got him to 20 subscribers. That would be absolutely wonderful if we could do that. just before we wrap up the show. It's time to end the show today. But before we go, I want to see if I can get him up. Video is running out of sync to the audio. Well, video is running out of sync to the audio. Well, what do you want me to do, Tom? Talk backwards? There you go, fixed it. We're now back in sync again. I've been talking backwards. All right, okay, 1 minute is up. Let's go. Did we get him? Did we get KK2 up to 20 subscribers? Oh, I hope so. You ready? Let's refresh the screen. Here we go. 19. Will it become 20? I hope so. I hope so. I hope so. 20! KK2, we did it. You are now at 20 subscribers. There we go. Fantastic. Video is running out of sync. Cheers, Canterbury Music Vibe. What did CMV Studio do for you? Send a pic of your car and I'll feature it. You have a post in your channel on the Discord. There you go. You have posts in your channel on the Discord. There you go. Very, very nice. Thank you very much. Step by step. Listen, KK2. When we get 10,000 subscribers, which we will, and you're still a member, we're going to promote you up and up and up and up. I promise you, mate. I'm going to do everything I can to promote you. All right? We really do appreciate you being a gold member. Thank you to the best YouTube channel in the world. We thank... Oh, IPOF is going up again. Let's have a look at our stocks moving right now. Tilray's holding. This is going to be good for next week. I've doubled down. I'm happy. I'm only down 2%. I'm not going to buy any more. I'm fully loaded. That's really great. Mullen, I'm out of it right now. Uber moving up. IPOF, we just checked it, looking good. I'm only down 1% now today. I'm very, very happy. That's really great. Let me tell you why that's great, folks. Friday, sell-off Friday. When you've had a week like this, when you're up 4% on a week, with what's going on right now, with the doom and gloom that market profits predicting, this should have sold down. It says my portfolio is strong, my portfolio is good. I've sold out, I've taken profits, I've nudged it up. Perfect. Very, very good. Very, very happy with that indeed. I like it. What did Bitcoin end up at? Bitcoin is just going sideways now. Had a great day at 4%. What I'll be looking to do over the weekend is get back into Ethereum and Bitcoin if we get a pullback. And that's what I'll be looking to do. Over the weekend is a great time to trade Bitcoin because you can't trade anything else. You can get in, make money, back on Monday with your profits. That's what I do quite a lot. Evening all, just on the end of the show. Just on the end of the show. Believe it, it will rock it up. Thank you, KK2. You're a legend. Thank you for being a gold member now for such a long time. Absolutely awesome. Thank you so much. All right. Okay. I just heard something in the Discord. Anything going on? Anybody got anything to add before we end the show? Paddy April is still in the green room. She's been sitting in the green room. Did you get any result from Paddy? Peru Invest Tips. We got a tip. I am in. Let's wait Monday. Paganasol. Who is Paganasol? Who is this? Who is Pagan Soul? Who is this? I need to make you a member. If you're not a member. Oh, hang on a minute. You must be a member. The fact you can see that, right? Let me have a look. Pagan Soul, Pagan Soul. You're not online right now. I am in. Let's wait Monday. Oh, he's no longer in. Let me see who that was. Rolls. Oh, they are a member already. Oh, here's one little thing, guys, you could do. Here's a little top tip for everybody. Think about changing your names on Discord to be the same as they are on YouTube. Because we don't know who you are. The people in the chat don't know who you are. It's kind of a cool thing if you could have the same name. It's up to you, of course. I'm not telling you what to do. It's your channel, of course. But it might be quite nice if you did that. Nudge it, budget, move it. I think Alex, can you message me privately so we can... Yeah, there we go. Nudge it, budget, move it. It's got might have a customer with Tom. Very, very nice indeed. Oh, we got Bubble taking clips. Bubble's taking clips. And another little thing as well, before we go, we are giving a cash prize away at some point. I'm working out what I'm going to do. The most engaged people on Discord. All right, you can give it a thumbs up. If you right-click, you can reply. I've got the day trader emojis you can use. Very, very good. A lot of fun. Talking backwards. Bill. Martin makes perfect sense, yeah. If I change it on Discord, well, no, you won't need. You can change your name. No, you can do it now. If you do it now, I'll watch it. But no, you won't need to. You won't need that. Yeah, Tom's come in straight away and told you that. No, it will remain the same. Good idea to have the same name. Then the members know who you are. We know who you are. It's just good. It's up to you. I don't mind. Right. I think that's it. I think we're done for the week. Well, this has been a great week. We've returned. Let's have an update where we are. We've gone up from we were down. Look, we were down. Hang on, it's the wrong one. The portfolio right down here. If we look at the month, look, we were just down a couple of weeks ago. We were down at 35,000. We're now at 50, nearly 51. Incredible. We've reduced our margin. We've got that right the way down now. Look, we've got 11,000 in buying power. Wonderful stuff. Improved our position. We've made profits. We've prepared for a lift-off in Tilray. It's going to be very exciting. We prepared for IPOF. We've got ourselves in a much stronger position than we've ever been in before. How many people clipped on the YouTube live? How many people? Got 6 people now. Great. Thank you ever so much for doing that. You'll be notified when we go live and breaking news. And Peru Invest as well. Don't forget you can follow each channel as you will. But that's it from me. It's been a great week. Thank you very much indeed. We had a lot of fun this morning on the April Fools. I did get you all. It was actually really cool. Very, very enjoyable. But that's it from me. Time to take a break. You won't have to put up with me anymore unless I have breaking news on a short and I say, hey, Bitcoin is going to $1 million. Jump on in quick. Other than that, you won't hear from me until Monday. That's it from me. Thank you very much. Bubble's got a comment. Although if you change your name on Discord, it will affect your name on all servers you are a member of. Just be aware of that. People on other servers may not recognize you. Bubble, absolutely correct. You're absolutely correct. You can have a nickname, though. You can have a nickname. I think you can have a nickname for different servers. So have a great weekend, everyone. Thank you ever so much indeed. That's it from me. Nudge it, budget, move it. It's the end of another month of sponsorship. Let me know if you wish to continue next month. Let me know what's going on so I can update your account. Have a great weekend, Peru Invest. That's it from me. Thank you so much indeed. Take care of yourselves. Thanks, Peru. You've made me $10,000 in the last 10 days. Really appreciate it. We are running a weekend of development, so please bear with us. Bye and bye and bye, says Bill. Take care. See you back on Monday. Take care of yourselves and each other.